In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use NovaBot with Bullx. Now, in order to do that, we'll start off by opening NovaBot on our Telegram. Now, I'll provide a link in the description for this board as well. You guys can go and check it out from there. Simply hit the start button in order to start using NovaBot. And once you click on that, you will see all of these features and options popping up right here. Now, in order to access these, it will require you to paste a access code, which I have already done. So just follow the steps. I will show you how to do that. Simply head over to the search bar here, search Nova Trading Board access code. You will see this option popping up, and here simply go and click on view board, and you will get all access to all of these options. Now, once you have done that, what you need to do is you see that you are given a wallet address of this board where you can put Solana on it. So we'll simply click on it in order to copy this. Now what we can do is head over to Bullx. Now I am in my wallet manager of my Bullx account. Here I can head over to add wallet button. I can name this wallet as Nova. This is my second wallet, so I will name it Nova 2. Paste the address, click on add wallet button, and once you do that, you'll see that your wallet is now added and ready to use with Bullx. And what we can do further is we can head over to Chrome and we can search Nova Chrome extension and select this option, this one, and it will take you to this page. And once you are here, simply go and click on add to Chrome button. I have already done that, and once you do that, it will allow you to quickly access the board while using Bullx. Now this extension would pop up right here, and you can simply access it with a single click. Well, that's how you can do it. That's how you can use NovaBot with Bullx. I hope you find this video helpful.